Hi, my sweet loves. Welcome back for Thursday's number of the day. Can you guess what today's is? That's right, it's the number 8. And there are two different ways we can write it. We could write it this way, where it's a circle on top of a circle, or this way, where it kind of loops around. So, before we try and write it, let's use our fingers and try and count to the number 8. Are you ready? Me too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, boys and girls. Now, the same way that you can write the number 8 a couple times, you can show it differently with your fingers too. I'm going to show you another way. So let's count to 8 again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This can be 8 also. Great job, friends. So now that we can count to the number 8, let's try and write the number 8. So, like I said, you can do it two different ways. You could write the number 8 as one circle on top, kind of like a snowman, and one circle on the bottom. Or you could do the loop-de-loop way. So we're going to go almost like an S, come back up and cross over to make an 8. Both of those still say the number 8. Okay, so since we know how to write the number 8, why don't we see what letters we need to spell the word 8? So let's look. We need E, I, G, H, T. My friends, did you know we have some friends in our class who have the letter T in their name? Do you remember who they are? That's right, they're Tristan and Talon. Hi Tristan, hi Talon. I hope you're having fun with the number 8 today. So now that we know the letters to spell the word 8, let's write it. So that's an E, I, G, H, T, just like in Tristan and Talon. And that's how you would spell the letter 8. Great job, friends. So, let's look at the dice and see, are we going to need 1 or 2? Yeah, that's right. You jumped ahead and saw, huh? You need to have 2 because one dice only goes up to the number 6. And because we're super smart thinkers, we can go past that number. So let's look at our picture here and see how many dots we need on the first one. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me try and find it on this dice here. I'm going to roll it around a few times and I stopped right there. That looks just like the first picture. Let's count the dots and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Let's see. What does that second dice have? How many more do we need to get to 8? Yeah, right there. It has 1, 2, 3. So 5 dots plus 3 dots equals 8. Let's count all of them just to make sure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 5 dots plus 3 dots equals 8 dots. So we have the 5. Let's try and find the 3 dots. It could be, boop, right there. 1, 2, 3. So let's count them together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job counting to 8, my friends. So, do you see our tally marks anywhere? Remember, tally marks are those fun lines we use to count things. Yeah, they're right there. Let's make sure we have 8 of them this time. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Our fifth one goes straight or goes diagonally across. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, friends, let's try and draw 8 tally marks. Get your markers out and ready. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what do I do with that fifth one? Yeah, I go diagonally. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tally marks, friends. Great job. You're such super smart thinkers. This number 8 is a piece of cake for you guys. So, since you're such super smart thinkers, I have a super big challenge for you. Today's challenge is to find a word that has 8 letters in it. You might have to put your binoculars on and look around the house. You could look on food, you could look in a book, you could see if your name has 8 letters in it. When I looked around my house, I found these. These are little drink mixes and it says lemonade. So I wrote it down and then I counted to see if I had 8 letters. Let's count together and see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So lemonade works for the challenge of the day because there's 8 letters. Once you found something in your house that has 8 letters and you did your best to write it down, have a grown-up take a picture of it and put it in the comments. I can't wait to see what stuff you come up with that has 8 letters. All right, friends, that's all for our number of the day. So I'm going to put my hand on my heart and take a deep breath in. And I'm going to wish you well. I love you and I miss you guys. I can't wait for our next number of the day. Bye. Have a great rest of your day, my friends.